Good morning 99 family, and good morning YouTube. We are back again with another video for you guys. Once again, I want to thank you all for being a part of the family, being so supportive, liking these videos, sharing them out with others, and just overall being supportive of the whole movement. Currently, we've just hit our 500 subscribers mark, so you guys know a 500 subscribers giveaway will be coming up very soon. But for right now, I wanted to come back to you guys with another Navy Federal video. I just dropped the one on the secured loan, and I wanted to go over both of their secured products because they're both such amazing products. I've used both of them. I currently still have a secured loan. However, I no longer have a secured card because of the reason we're talking about in this video. Before I get into that, I just want to say, if you're new to the channel, please do not hesitate to like these videos and share them out with others. We talk about personal finance, business finance, and professional development. So if that interests you at all, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Make sure you click all so that you get all the videos that we put out. Let's get into the video. Today I want to talk about my Navy Federal secured card that I had. I'm not sure if you guys recall, but I had two of them. They both actually ended up in the same scenario. So I'm going to talk about it. I told you guys in the last video, the last live stream, that they graduated. But now it just got a little bit better because not only did the first card graduate, but the second card graduated, and there's a little twist to them. But first off, I want to kind of give a brief overview of the card for those who are not familiar with it. The Navy Federal and Reward secured card is a secured card offered by Navy Federal Credit Union that gives you a interest rate of 18% and a one-time point back on any transactions that you have. So per se, you know, you're in the market for a secured card. You always have to look and weigh and balance which card you want. This card has no annual fee. It offers you that one-time point back on any transaction, so you get 1 point for every dollar you spend. It graduated for me, like I said, both of them graduated in 6 months. And the graduation, they give you back your security deposit in addition to actually increasing your limit. In the case of both of these secured cards that I had, they graduated both initially to $2,000, and you know, that's 10 times the original security deposit, and that basically allows you to have you know, a good card out there that you can use with a good limit. You know, after 6 months of rebuilding your credit, there's not many companies out there that are going to offer you that high of a limit, and you know, especially not from such a great company. So after 6 months, they switched this card out, and the new cards actually just came in, and you'll end up with the cash rewards card. You can call in and product change this to a different one of their cards if you'd like. However, for the current moment, I'm going to be keeping the cash rewards card. It's a card you get 1.5% cash back. So if you're not a points person and you just want cash back, and I actually tested it, this card is redeemable at any value. I tested it with like $8 versus these points cards through Navy Federal. You have to have like $50 worth of points, which is 50,000 points to redeem them, or sorry, 5,000 points. Whereas with these other cards, the cash rewards card, that is a cashback card, you can redeem it way lower. So depending on how quickly you want to redeem your points, this card may actually be a go-to for you, you know, versus one of their other cards. However, the other cards do actually gain points at a much faster rate. But as promised, there's always that little twist that we try to bring to you guys, and I'm going to bring it up on the screen now. So as you guys can see on your screens now, you will see that the card is upgraded to the cash rewards Visa, and most importantly, this kind of just shows you what options you have available on, you know, Navy Federal's online portal, where you can pay your card, manage. But here you will see credit limit, and as I said, the card's unsecured to 2,000. I actually immediately applied for an increase, and they gave me 2,500. And here they gave me my available limit, because I spent $10 on the card, is $2,490. And then down here it shows, you know, your cash rewards and all that. So you can see this is where you could actually go in and click into the portal and redeem your points. I just wanted to kind of show you guys this so that you all would be aware. I can refresh the page so that you guys can see again. This is a real page, and this is my real cash rewards card, and showing you guys the actual limit. They did allow me to get a $500 increase, not a very drastic increase, but again, if you're looking to build credit and you want to start getting into higher limit cards, and you don't want to, you know, get a bunch of consumer finances and My Jewelers Club and NCD and New Coast Direct, Cut and Chase, all that type of stuff, and you do have someone with a military affiliation, this is definitely the route to go. You know, after 6 months, it's really proven itself to show that you can do it, and you know, get this limit. It did the same thing with the other one, with another profile that has a score of a 620, 630. So again, just something for you guys to think about. Wanted to show this to you all and allow you all to see that this is definitely doable. This is something that you can do in as little as 6 months working with Navy Federal Credit Union. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing to the channel, sharing these videos out, liking them.